Hey guys, this is Anshka Gupta and welcome to my channel Let's Code and Solve by Newton School. I hope you all been cleared with the previous tutorial that was Introduction to Dictionaries in Python. Today we're going to study about dictionary type methods in Python. Before going to that, let's know what is Newton School. So Newton School is a platform which prepares you for career in tech. It has courses designed for fresher, working professional as well as for women with non-tech background. Newton School first trains you for 6 months, then it helps you to become amazing full stack developer. And the best part of Newton School is that it is a pay after placement program under which you don't have to pay Newton School anything until or unless you are being placed with minimum 5 lakh CTC. Here are good companies of Newton School. Website of Newton School. Log in over here. And the companies in which you are being placed are Topper, 7-Eleven, Deolite, Misho, Dream11, Xiaomi, Lenskart, and many more. Let's start to our own type methods of dictionaries in Python. So now what is type methods or what are the methods in dictionaries based on programming language of Python? It is basically methods that are available with a dictionary that are tabulated or that are formed with basically more and more methods, that is clear, copy, fam keys, get keys, items, keys, then simple keys, then pop keys, pop item, set default, update, and values. These all methods have its all description for clearing the particular dictionary from one element of the set. That means we have to apply the clear to remove all the items from the dictionary, and to copy the shallow part of the items in particular dictionary, that we use the copy. So anyhow, these all are being performed, or some of them are being performed in upcoming examples. So pop item is the one of pop item and pop keys. These are the two most important methods in dictionaries that are being used mostly in sorting. Then it's a bubble sort, then it's a great sorts. All are being used in that. Now comes what is built-in function with dictionary. So built-in function with dictionary, it means that these are the two types of built-in function, that are length and sorted. These are being used to return the particularly value and return the particularly element structure in dictionaries. Like if we have to return the length, the number of elements in the dictionary, we generally use a length part. Even though if we have to return a new sorted keys in dictionaries, then we use the sorted parenthesis. Now come what is the motivations for dictionaries. So particularly for defining a country or for defining a capital, it basically have to define the element based on the dictionary part to print the occasionally type methods. So these are the type methods which are being used occasionally with particular distances. So these dictionary type methods are nowadays not used much, but for defining a particular, like suppose it's a universal elements, so these are the universal elements we have to use in the dictionary parts. So now what is the dictionary manipulations? So if you know how to assess a dictionary, you can easily assign a new value to it. To add a new value pair to country capitals or country capitals or country states, you have to use parentheses based on the dictionary part. That is defining a dictionary in particular instance, then it has to declare it. Okay, that's how the dictionary manipulation has been done. So each of the dictionary manipulation is also be able to remove entry from dictionary by using a del method, as we read in the list, as we read in the tuples. Then string, the del method is used to remove the any of the manipulation being done in these types. So another one is the Norway. So Norway is also similar meaning of the del type. That is also the conditional part. So now what is the difference between list and dictionary? So list, it means it can select, it can update, it can remove. Dictionary, it means it can select, it can update, it can remove. These both are same in structure. Now, what comes in list and dictionary? List are being indexed by the range of numbers, and dictionary are being indexed by the unique keys. List are the collection of value order, matter select entire subset, and dictionary, it is a lookup table with unique keys. Okay, now let's move to Newton School Playground, and it is the Newton School IDE. Let's perform how to use the methods in list. Okay, if we have to use the dictionary methods, just to install the dictionary methods in that, suppose I have to use the dictionary methods, and after let me just declare one of the program. It's a marks, and I have to use a font key, from key or from font key, sorry. And in that my list of the elements are being present, like maths, then it comes to English, then it came to science, and a lot of we can use, but we are using only this much. Okay, these are the form types, or these are the data types obtaining by the dictionary methods. Okay, now comes if we have to print our below mentioned dictionary. Now if from here you can use the types of languages or programming language you are being using. So when I have declared the marked list from the form keys method, it has been giving me the output that the science, the value of science is 0. Like it is being given the all epsionaries values are been given to the 0. So maths is equals to 0, English 0, science 0. Okay, these are the value obtained by the marks list. So now what if I am being printing for, using the loop in that, for item in marks dot item, use a loop in that. Okay, now I have to print my dictionary items. Okay, now what if I have to execute it again, like print list, and that I have to sort it. Then comes is the marks dot key. Okay, that is what the combinations power are being done. So combinations power means like you have to give the output also, and you have to give the input also. It's an individual or it's an structural part. Okay, that doesn't depend upon which part is being there or not. So now what we have to use, Python dictionary compensations. So for Python dictionary compensation, if I have to just print a squares of what? I need a square of x, then x asterisk, it's a multiple of square. Okay, then I have to use for what I have to use a compensation for x in the range x in the range of 6, I have to print the square. Now for that, if I am being using the print squares, it will be giving to me the squares of the number varying from below in the range of 6. If we'll execute it with the differentiations of recalling, it will be giving me up to only 5. So the square of 0, 0, 1 to 1, 2 to 4, 3 to 9, 4 to 16 and 5 to 25. Okay, that how. Another method, what is the another method to print the same square? That is the square. The same method will be printing the same output for x by using the loop in the range. Okay. Here it is squares. The same output would be there. Now comes to print part. The same output would be there as compared to the 5. This is the method to print the squares of it. Whether you can do with the compensation or whether you can use for loop in that. Okay, that is what nowadays, or if we use, suppose the same method, if we want odd squares, okay, we need only the odd squares, nor any of the squares we needed, only we need an odd square. For this, we will be writing a program for x in range but if condition will be for, and if condition is there for x, the program will only and only will execute if it will be giving us the output of 1. Now comes how to print it. Now I want to print odd squares. Okay, what is the x in, okay, that was the one of the mistake. So here I didn't draw the n, so the problem was coming. Now the odd square will be getting 1, 3, 9, 5, 7. But if it is not divisible by 2, if it's divisible by 2 and equals to 1, that how the compensation has been done. So now if the body structure is same, at least same, now it's an odd squares, okay, resembling odd square. Now what if I need a membership test in dictionary? Okay, and I'm being printing a squares that is equals to 1 ka square 1, then 3 ka square 9, then again 5 ka square 25, then again comes to the 7 ka square 49. Then again we write the 9 also, 9 square 81. Okay, now comes if I need to print the value 1 in squares. Okay, whether it is membership, you remember in the membership what it happens and how we do it. It is only and only the membership operator true or false. Okay, and this it will come to the true part, because nothing is being done until or unless we have been structured it unavailingly. Okay, unavailingly means like it will be occurring as a structural part. I hope it's clear to you. So the final confirmation of this is the membership test or the type methods in dictionary is like it will be having the built-in function like all, any, sorted, length, comparison, that all will be working with a different task according to the description being mentioned in this chart. And this is very very important to learn about the Python dictionary methods. Okay, I hope you all have been cleared with the concept of type methods in dictionary. So subscribe to my channel, stay tuned and stay updated. Thank you.